New topic. Relations between the angles and the sides of a triangle. What is the relation between angles and the sides in a triangle? We studied the angles till now, the interior angles, the exterior angles, the sum of them, the properties about them. Now we'll have also included the sides. And here is the, hello again. Here is the first property about the relation between the angles and the sides. And it says here that if one side of a triangle is longer than a second side, then the angle opposite the longer side is larger than the angle opposite the shorter side. So as you can see here, we have AC is, let's say, 10 units, AB is 8 units, and BC is 9 units. So according to this one, because 10 is bigger than 8, also the measure of angle B, opposite of 10, this angle, will be greater than the measure of angle C, opposite of 8. As you can see here, it's written. Also, because 10 is greater than 9, the measure of angle B will be greater than measure of angle A. And because 9 is greater than 8, measure of angle A will be greater than measure of angle C. Did you understand how it goes?
No.
Yes.
You will check the sides. Which one is the longer side? That angle will be the biggest angle. Longest side, opposite of longest side, you will have the biggest angle. So 10 is the longest, so B will be the biggest. Then the second one will be A, because it's 9. Opposite of 9 is A, the angle A. And here we have 8, opposite of 8 will be angle C.
Okay, I understand.
So here, in this example, it's given two sides. One of them is 12, the other one is 10. And the angle opposite of 10 is 63. And it says here, which one of the following can be the measure of the angle R? This is the angle R in the figure. Which one can be? Firstly, if we will check which one can't be, what do you think?
Teacher, it can't be 52 or 58 or 60. It will be probably 67 because 12 is bigger than 10.
Because 12 is bigger than 10, so the angle will be bigger than 63. So it cannot be 60, it cannot be 58, it cannot be 52. So it will be 67. Did you understand how it goes?
Yes.
Opposite of 10, it's 63. And here we have 12. So opposite of 12 will be greater than 63. And we'll check which one is greater than 63. 67 is greater than 63. So the measure of the angle R will be 67. It's okay? Are you writing?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
So if you're writing, let me take the attendance. Besan is here.
Yes, teacher is here.
Bravo, Besan. Hamza?
I'm here, teacher.
Bravo, Hamza, also for you. 2021 started like good for us. Huh? Hamza is in the lesson. Ermal? Ermal? Guys, if you're not answering while I'm asking, I'm writing absent, okay? Ermal, I don't know if he's here. Sarah?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Rumesa?
I'm here.
Teacher, now I can hear because your voice was glitching because of my internet.
Okay.
I'm here,
Ermal
teacher.
is here, huh?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, Rumeysa is here. Salman?
Here, teacher.
Here. Is there any problem with the connection? Can you hear me? The others?
I have a problem, teacher.
You have problem? Okay.
Yes.
Because sometimes also mine is making problems. Stanislav?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Vesa?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Yovana?
I'm here.
Okay. Arta?
I'm here.
Ardita?
I am here, teacher.
Ardita is here also. Tringa?
I'm here, teacher.
Aryan?
Here.
Stephanie?
Here.
Yona? No. Amra?
I'm here.
Okay. Elsa?
Here, teacher.
Here. Eva?
Here, teacher.
Alexander?
Here.
Here. Anita?
I am here, teacher.
Okay. Yusuf?
Here.
Here. Mashallah, mashallah. All of you are here, huh? Now, here we have two, let's say, combined triangles, and we will find the longest line in this figure. Which one will be the longest line? Now, if we'll check separately the triangles. Firstly, I am checking the triangle ABD. Which one is the biggest angle?
70, yes.
70. By the way, let's write some names to sides. Opposite of A, let's say that this one is A. Let's say that this one is D. This one is B. And C. A, B, C, D.
B.
B, we have B, okay. It will be better like this. Now measure of, because like, let's go like this. 70 is greater than 60 and greater than 50, yes? In the triangle ABD.
Yes.
Now I will write the sides in the same order. So opposite of 70, we have
A.
A. A will be greater than, opposite of 60, we have
D.
D. And opposite of 50, we have
B.
B. So in the triangle ABD, A is the longest one. Now let's check in the triangle DBC. I couldn't write DBC, okay. Now, which one is the biggest angle here?
68, B.
We have 68, then we have
60 and
60
52.
and 52. The side opposite of 68,
BC, C.
we have
BCD.
two B's here. This one cannot be B because we have here B. Let's say this is E, okay? Now, what we have?
E, ECD.
E, C, Y, C, look, opposite of 60, which one we have?
A.
A we have.
EAC.
And opposite of 52, we have C. And as you can see in the triangle DBC, we have E longer, yes?
Yes.
Now, E is greater than A, as you can see. So, E is greater than A. So, which one is the longest?
E.
E is the longest side. Did you understand? We can have also like this a question in Schoology, ordering, and you will order which one is the longest one. For example, according
Teacher, first we do both triangle separately and then we find which
Yes,
one.
yes.
Okay.
Because according to the first triangle, A is the longest, but in the second triangle, we have longer than A. So that one will be the longest in the figure because it doesn't say find separately which in two triangles, which one is the longest. It says in this figure, so you need to find in this figure which one is the longest one. It's okay? Did you understand how it goes?
Yes.
Okay. Now we have another property. In the first one, it says in a right triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest side. Why? Because the 90 degrees is the biggest angle in right triangle. So the side opposite of 90, which we call it hypotenuse, will be the longest side. And the other property says in a triangle, the length of one side is greater than the difference of the lengths of the other two sides. And the length of one side is less than the sum of the lengths of the other two sides. So as you can see here, this inequality, we call this inequality, is called triangle inequality, and this is very important property about triangles. What it says here, the difference of two sides is less than the other one, and one side is less than the sum of the two sides. So as you can see, you can write this inequality for three sides. Why? What do you think? Why this part, the difference part, is on the absolute value?
Because it will be minus something.
It can be minus, not to have negative solution. We are writing in a absolute value. Did you write how it's written? Did you understand how it's written? Look,
Yes.
if we are talking about side A, left part will be B minus C, right part will be B plus C, the other two sides. If we are talking about B, left part will be A minus C or C minus A, both of them will give you the same one. And the right side will be A plus C, the sum of other two sides. And if we are talking about C, we will have A minus B and A plus B. Write this property, the first one, that the hypotenuse is the longest side, is very easy, we know it, but this triangle inequality is important. And if you will write this, it will be better for you. Then we'll have some questions to solve about this property. Okay?
But teacher, how are we going to know which one is the longest? Or we don't need that now?
Here we don't have that one about the, longest one. If you know the angles, you will know which one is the longest one. But here it's about something else. The relation about the sides here.
Okay, okay.
If you are ready, I will show you some other questions if you have written, or I can wait one more minute.
Wait, teacher.
Okay. When you will be ready, tell me.
I'm finished.
Okay. The others, it's okay if I will continue?
It's okay, teacher, you can continue.
It's okay, teacher. I took screenshot.
Okay. Now, as you see, we have two different examples. Let's see, first one. It says, in the figure, AB is 7, BC is 4. We don't know AC. Find the possible integer values for B. Now, we know only two sides. We don't know the angles. We don't know anything else. So we will use the triangle inequality here. and we'll write the inequality for B. So how it will be, if B is in the middle, I will write like this. So in the left, there will be difference, 7 minus 4. In the right, there will be the sum, 7 plus 4. So what will be 7 minus 4? It's 3 less than B less than 7 plus 4 is 11.
11.
So what will be the possible integer values for B? The numbers
Something between
11. So B can be 4, can be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If something else is not given, any other extra information is not given, this one will be your answer. Because it says find the possible integer values. We are not looking only for one value for B. So these are the possible integer values for B. Did you understand how we are using
Yes.
the triangle inequality?
Yes.
Okay, now try to do for this one, for the second one. As you can see here, we have two triangles and one side is common for both of them. So firstly, you will write for one triangle, then for the other one.
And then we find the union, not the union,
Yes, the common intersection.
but intersection, yes.
Yes. Let's say that this side that we are looking for is X. For triangle KLM, what will be the triangle inequality trigger for the KLM? What will be the triangle inequality for this? Tringa, are you here?
Teacher, I think she has problem with an internet.
Yes,
Teacher,
teacher.
yes.
Because even I can hear you very well.
Yes, teacher. I'm here.
You're here, Eva. Eva is answering.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Hi, Eva. Then let's write the triangle inequality for the triangle KLM. What will be? Here we have one side unknown X and the other two sides we know. So X I will write in the middle.
Yes. L.
You can write directly the sides like the difference and the sum.
Like the first. Okay.
Yes, I'm waiting.
8.
Okay.
8.
8.
8 minus 6.
Okay.
10 minus 5.
Here no. Here now we have 8
No.
plus.
8 plus 6.
Yes. So what will be here? 8 minus 6. It's 2 less than X less than. This one will be 14. So what
4.
are the possible values for X here?
X is
We'll start greater than 2. Which one is
2,
3? Greater than 2 it will be 3,
3, 4, 5, 6,
till
7 till 15, teacher.
till look 14 is the last one here, so we'll have till 13. Less than 14 it has to be. Okay, thank you, Eva. For the
Teacher, I think I have mistake because I think I will start with 5, not with last number.
what you mean?
We start with 5 till 15. Now with 3
But
till
But
30.
here we have 8 minus 6, which is 2. Then we'll start with 3, the next one.
Okay.
It goes like that for this triangle. Okay?
Okay.
Now let's do with someone else for the triangle M and L. Alexander,
Yes, teacher.
how will be the inequality for the triangle M and L?
We will start with 10, teacher.
I'm writing the X in the middle, then here we have the difference. So what we have, which sides we know? 10 and 5 we know. So
Yes.
what will be here?
10 minus 5.
10 minus 5. And here what?
8 minus 6.
No, 8. Why 8? Again, the same one.
Oh, yes, teacher. The same. 10
Plus 5 it will be.
5.
Yes. So 10 minus 5.
5 is 5.
It's 5 less than x. X is less than
15.
15. Now what are the possible values for x here?
6, 7,
6,
8,
7, 8,
9, 10
9
till 14, teacher.
till 14. Now, which ones are the common ones with the first one?
6, 7, 8, 10, 9,
6,
11,
7,
12, and
8,
13.
10,
9,
9, 11,
11, 12, and
11,
13.
12,
13.
13.
So these are the common ones. So the possible integer values for LM will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Did you understand how it goes? That triangle inequality?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, are you writing this one? I can wait for you to write. Hamza, are you writing?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. Okay. One day I will want you to send me your notebooks, like pictures of your notebooks, what you have written, okay? So one day when I will want you to send me, I don't want you to write all the lessons at once. So write during the lesson when I'm giving you time, okay? Are we clear with
Okay.
this one?
Yes.
Okay. I'm continuing to the next one. And I think that this is last slide of this topic. So let's solve from the exercise 3. One question. How many minutes do we have?
We have 8 minutes.
8 minutes, okay. Do you want one question from third exercise or 2 questions from fourth exercise?
We want one question from third exercise.
Okay. Which one you want to solve?
C.
C. I knew that you will say C. Okay. What it says, find the longest line in each figure using the given angles. So let's do it together. Let me make it bigger. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay. Now here we have 3 triangles. Yes?
Yes.
As you can see, in some triangles, 3 angles are given. In some of them, 2 angles are given only. It would be a problem for us to find the third angle.
We can find it easily.
We can find easily. So what will be this angle and this one.
The first one will be 180 minus 53 plus 63.
So what is? Can you tell me directly?
It will be
If 115
100 minus.
the 64. I think that this one is 64 degrees. Am I right?
Yeah, 64, and the next one will be
62, I think.
60.
Yes. Now, do we know all the angles? Now, guys, I hope that you are trying to do at the same time with me. Sometimes I feel like I am alone in the lesson. So I'm taking the first triangle. We have here 67, here 55, and here we have 58. According to this one, let's say this side is Q, this side is R, and this side is P. According to this one, which one will be the longest side?
It will be Q.
Q will be the longest one, then Q is longer than, greater than?
Longer than R and longer than P.
Longer than P. This is in the first triangle. In the second one, I will draw here a small one, R, P, S. I have R, P, S. So here I have 53. Here I have 64. And here I have 63. It's okay? Can you see? So we have
Yes.
sides. We have the sides R, S, P. But this P and this P will be mixed. Let's write here something else. R, S, T I'm writing, okay?
Okay.
And this R and this R is not the same. Also, we need to check, change the R, S, T,
L.
L, okay. S, T, L. Which one is the longest here?
T.
L.
L is the longest.
Yes. L.
Then?
Then S and then T.
Then S, then T. And we have one more triangle. P, T, S we have here. 60, 58, and 62. X, Y, Z, I'm saying. Now,
It will be X greater than Z,
Z
greater than
Y.
Y.
greater than Y. Now, according to this one, here, as you can see, we don't have any connection with each other. Q greater than R. Only this one is Q. Also here, this one will be Q. Can you see? This is Q. And opposite of set, S will be Q. So also this one is Q. Can you see what am I doing? Or can you understand why I changed? Guys?
This have the same line.
They are the common lines. And here, which one? PS is the common line.
The teacher also R and T have the same line.
Which one?
R and T, if Q and S have the same.
Look, Q and S are PR, this same line. Because of that, if we said that this is PR is Q, also PR here it will be Q. Okay? So here if PS we said that it is L, also here PS will be L, okay? Did you understand?
Okay, understood.
Now let's see. Look, here in the first one, Q is the longest. In the second one, L is greater than Q. And in the third one, X is greater than L. Look, Q is greater than R. L is greater than Q. So from here, we'll have L is greater than Q from both of them. Then we have X is greater than L. Then here we have X is greater than L greater than Q. So X will be the longest side. Did we understand?
Yes.
You are
Yes, teacher.
quite all of you. Most of you, I mean. I hope that you are understanding. So we are finishing here. This one, this question, you have in your book, this one, fourth one, is your homework.
Where should we send it?
You need to send from the Moodle, okay?
Okay.
Just the fourth one.
Just the fourth one, yes, this one. Okay. So see you.
See you. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank
Goodbye.
you.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye, teacher. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
teacher, sorabilir miyim?